satellite communication. It would have been impossible without it. Yes, our own satellite, inside, even outside we use, etc.
The only thing that brings everybody together is the interest in particle physics.
It was with great difficulty that the Indian Institute of Science still maintained its 4-year undergraduate program.
The newborn who are breastfed have less incidence of diabetes, less incidence of cancer, and less incidence of hypertension.
Which environment do you like the best? Do you have any question?
That's an interesting question. I mean, I should be politically correct.
The lives of many.
Great question. I mean, I would say biology.
So membrane is a key.